Speed of an object in motion is defined as the ratio of actual distance covered and the corresponding time taken by the object. Whereas the instantaneous speed is the speed of an object measured at a given instant of time. Unit of measurement of instantaneous speed is kilometer per hour. A speedometer is a device used to measure the instantaneous speed of a vehicle. The instantaneous speed of a car is displayed on the dial of the speedometer by the pointer. There are two types of automobile speedometer: mechanical speedometer and electronic speedometer. The mechanical speedometer display vehicle speed by the pointer pointing the value shown in the circular dial, while electronic speedometer display speed of vehicle in digital form on a LCD screen. Speedometer is now a standard feature available in all the automobiles to enforce legal speed limits.